Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great sports car trade-in value from Parkway RV Center. And folks, I guess I shouldn't really call this a trade-in. This is one of our company owners' personal cars. 2005 Mercedes-Benz 500 SL convertible with the AMG sport package. Folks, this car is a beautiful vehicle and it's fast. You know, he doesn't keep stuff unless it's just 100% right. He doesn't, if it's not in the top 5%, in other words, if you looked at 100 2005 Mercedes-Benz 500 SLs, if this isn't the top 5 out of that 100, he's not going to keep it. And he's had this car for about a year and a half now. Only reason he's selling it, bought him a new Corvette Stingray, doesn't need 2 convertibles, so here you go. Beautiful car, folks. Got a spotless Carfax. It's a Southern car since new. It was purchased new in Alabama, where it's been an Alabama and Georgia car its entire life. It's a 3-owner car. Got 107,000 miles, not even broke in. And folks, I mean, there's no service engine lights. There's not a rip, a tear, a ding, dent, scratch anywhere on this car. This car is absolutely beautiful. I've got pictures of the top up, but it is a hardtop convertible, so during the winter time, you don't get any of that cloth top popping and rattling while you're driving it. Got a Bose Stereo system from the factory. Got the factory navigation. Of course, AMG sport package. Got the AMG wheels, the mesh grille, bumpers, and more. Got a very powerful 302 horsepower, 5-liter, single overhead cam V8. Traction control, sport suspension package. You can raise and lower the suspension of this car with the push of a button. I'll show you here. See where it's at right here? Go inside. And the whole car will lift up. So, pretty cool, folks. Pretty cool. And unlike the last convertible I did, this is one a big man can actually fit in. I can fit in this car with plenty of leg room. This thing is a blast. I mean, look at the door jambs, folks. Not been smoked in, no pets, nothing like that. I mean, this is a beautiful car. Top works flawlessly. Got the power sunscreen that you can raise and lower down. I mean, he's always had a Mercedes of Chattanooga do all the service work. Got the side curtain airbags. I mean, this car is absolutely beautiful, folks. This is a car anybody would be proud to own and drive. Seats are absolutely perfect. Heated seats, power, Mercedes-Benz, even Mercedes-Benz floor mats. I mean, this car has not been abused, hot rodded, or anything like that. Got a 7-speed automatic. But it's also, you can manually shift it too if you want to. That Bose Stereo sounds really, really good too, by the way. Of course, automatic headlights. 789 miles, folks. This is German engineering. That mileage is nothing to worry about, especially for this price. I mean, this is a beautiful car, folks, inside and out. You couldn't spend a dime in repairs on this vehicle. Fast, fun, and really inexpensive considering the kind of vehicle you're buying. It's got the satellite system, the satellite radio system, dual temperature controls, dash air, of course, is ice cold. You know, a lot of these Mercedes you look at, this wood grain is starting to peel. This doesn't have any of that showing. None of the seats show any wear and tear. Folks, these are a superiorly built car from the get-go. Mercedes-Benz and German engineering. It's a combination you can't beat when you buy new. Of course, they buy these things new. They're a lot more than an American car or a Japanese car. But that just makes them that much more desirable when they're used, because when you start out with a better built car, you're going to have one that lasts longer. Both the seats are heated. Both are 12-way power seats. I mean, it's a nice car, folks. It really is, and it will fly. 302 horsepower in this little car, and you'll like that. Of course, they have the ABC control and all that. And everything about this car just runs and drives as good as it looks. Tires are perfectly balanced. All the service is up to date. Oil changes up to date, done by the Mercedes store in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I've got an absolutely spotless Carfax. I'm more than happy to send you a copy of, verifying everything I've just told you. Folks, if you're looking for a 500 SL convertible, this is an awesome deal. This is one that's been adult owned since new, never been abused, never been hot rodded. I mean, this car right here, folks, is you got to see it and drive it to really appreciate it. Anyway, folks, you know, this is his personal car, so if it wasn't nice, he wouldn't have it. It's only $16,900. And that's a haggle-free price. Now, folks, if you're not local, we're not going to have any financing available for you. If you're local, of course, we'll just send you to one of the local bank or credit unions. We are an RV dealer. We're set up for RV financing. This was a car he purchased for himself, purchased it for himself about 1.5 years ago. Loved the car, but like I said, he bought a new Corvette, brand new Corvette. He has no need for it anymore, so that's why he's selling it. Be honest with you, folks, if I could justify it, you wouldn't be watching this video. I didn't have it in my driveway, but fortunately, my wife won't let me buy any more toys. But I'm gonna tell you, somebody wanting something like this car is virtually pick-proof. I mean, drive it anywhere. Everything in it's just immaculate. Original carpets that look like new under the mats. I mean, this is just a neat car, folks. It really is. I mean, nothing's torn, nothing's ripped, nothing's not functioning. I mean, it's that kind of car. $16,900 will trade. Of course, if you need financing, like I said, we're not set up for car financing unless you're local. You'll have to go to your own bank or credit union and see what they can do to get you a loan on this car. I'm putting this car on eBay and several other Auto Trader and Craigslist, and it's going to be seen, folks. And this is a beautiful car. If you're looking for one of these cars, don't let this one get away, folks. I seriously doubt you're going to find another one of these cars in this well cared for condition for this price anywhere else. $16,900. Give us a call, 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. Trade-ins considered. You know, we're not a car dealer, folks, so I'm not going to know what another car is worth on trade-in besides what I can find on the internet, so keep that in mind. I will take another car in on trade, but I'm going to have to make some calls and get a figure on it. I'm not going to be able to tell you right off the top of my head what your car is worth. So understand that this is kind of out of our expertise, but this is the kind of car, folks, you know, whether you're a car guy, an RV guy, you can appreciate this car. I do myself. Thank you for watching. Any questions, call us, email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. 706-965-7929 is our phone number, and 423-605-6747 is our after sales number only. Give us a call, drop us an email, come visit us, drive this car. I wouldn't hesitate to drive it anywhere. I'd right off the lot, folks. I mean, literally, if you wanted to fly in, drive this car 2,000 miles home, I wouldn't even hesitate to do it myself personally after being in this car and driving it. But thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.